Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of Instagram on all devices. For example, if you lost your mobile or somebody have access to your mobile and you want to log out, in this video I will show you what you need to do. Okay, first you need to go to Instagram and then log in. You click here in the three dots and then you go to more tools and then developer tools. You see here the elements and then next. Here you click, just be sure this turn to blue, and then here responsive, click here in the arrow and then you choose the mobile. Okay, for example Galaxy, and then refresh the page. Now it's look like mobile version. Okay, now I will click in this icon and then I click in this icon setting and then I click here login activity. Okay, here I can click on the device that I wanted to log out. Actually this profile just I use it on my laptop. I didn't log in on my phone. On my phone I use another account. Okay, let me for example just I click here and then just I click here for logout. This is what I need to do. I hope that this video is helpful. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, just you can leave them in the comment below. See you and thank you for watching.